And it wasn't just the danger that made prison hard. The scene was sent to serve his time at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Center, or General Penitentiary, or simply GP as Jamaican people know it. The conditions at GP under which the prisoners live are notorious.
You have at least three persons in a cell. A cell is like 6 feet by 8 feet, and 3 persons in that space. And you have to do everything in that space. Because you lock down like 17 hours out of the 24-hour day. Everything you have to do in that space. Everything. And there is chink on the wall. You can literally see the chink cover the wall. The stench, everything is inhumane. No human being, no matter what them do, should be put into a place like that, especially when you are an innocent man. So that can drive up your mental issue. Because remember, you never do what them say you do, and then put you in a place like this. You understand? So it drives you to madness.